I'm here in San Jose in the Villages, an elderly retirement community, and I've got a customer who's moving out, had the carpets cleaned this week, but had some rust stains from where her furniture was. She thinks it was probably due to a carpet cleaner putting her furniture back a while ago when it was still wet. And so some of the stain from the wood furniture bled away on the carpet. So they've even tried cleaning it, it can't come out. So I'm gonna cut it up, but I want you to see this carpet here is a sculpture. She has no carpet left over from the install. And she's got another area as well that's stained in her master bedroom closet. So I'm gonna repair this, just to walk through real quick. And here's that other stain right there as soon as you walk in. So a customer certainly doesn't want to replace all this carpet, especially when she feels that they're just gonna put something else in here anyway. So how are we gonna repair this? We're gonna take carpet from one of these hidden spots inside a closet. And this is every carpet repair guy's dream. Look how deep this closet goes, and that low shelf that's built in. And I've already put in a roll here of my similar carpet. You're not gonna find this pretty much anywhere. So I have a light carpet that's gonna go back in this corner to this corner here. I'll use that. And when it's all done, if you're looking for it, you could find it. However, if you're standing up, you're not gonna be able to see down there. So that's gonna make for a great donor area that we're gonna use to fix all of this. For just a few $100s versus having to pay thousands to replace it, getting it ready for sale. Now there's a couple ways to do this repair. I am going to cut out the excess and then lifting up the carpet around the perimeter, we're gonna scoot it over about those 3 inches to where the existing carpet is going to meet up and seam to the existing carpet. Plus I could kind of manipulate where these lines are gonna be, taking it a little bit more than maybe I needed to. And I'll scoot it down this way. So basically it will double up the sectioned area over here. Along the wall, I'm gonna section in my carpet from the closet, which will blend much better, being that no one walks along this edge. Okay, we've got this cut out here, and I moved this area back in place here. And what I'm gonna do as well is cut out this dark line that happens a lot on these lighter carpets, because if we were to leave that and insert our piece, you're gonna see this dark line, right? About 2-3 inches away from the wall. And if I were to cut it out and just insert a piece, you'd have this nice clean area that would all of a sudden hit this darker perimeter that goes around the entire room. So by doing this little technique, we're gonna help blend our repair, our patch, even better. Here's just a little example of what's going on here under the shelf. So that's all gonna get filled back. We'll show you what that looks like. We've got all these templates to go. Okay, and then we've got the finished product here. Manipulating some lines in the carpet donor area so it blends in better. I've got all my inserts cut, so now I'm gonna seam it up and then stretch it in and then make a last little video showing you the final product. And just like that, in about an hour and a half, job is done. Let's take a look. Okay. No more rust stains.